Robots. Oh, we've been trying to convince Craig for a couple of years now that cobots would help us out a lot here in the machine shop, sending videos, YouTube, Instagram, articles, all that media.
So we were very excited about hearing that our production people were actually coming up with ideas of automation rather than management coming up with that. So what I was excited about was implementing something to make sure that we have them being heard on the production floor and trying to make their jobs better. We have a nesting system where we have all the parts nested there in a nice matrix, and we're picking these up with the Robotique handies and then placing them in our lathe into the chucking system, or we're doing in the milling systems we have air over hydraulic and air vices that actually hold the parts there, and then they take the parts out and they place them in a bin as a completed part.
Had our first demo of the robot in-house. The salesperson brought it in, and literally within minutes had the robot fired up, making waypoints.
There was this book by Sam Bouchard on lean robotics. I wish I would have read it before, because I think we would have saved a lot more money in the long run. That's our soft cost in designing systems and trying to kind of find the right solution. Now it is our Bible in our company. All our systems that we have for lean robotics is based on the lean robotics book.
The program was actually starting to get a little cumbersome as we were trying to accomplish all these different tasks and locate on multiple axes. And that's when Brian was able to show us some of the tools with the Force Copilot that really made it a lot faster and easier to install. And with just a line or two of code from Robotique, we were actually able to get the same features with a lot less programming.
We have a recurring part that we make for one customer, and we do lots of typically between 150 and 500 parts. For example, a 500 part run previously would take us in the neighborhood of 5.7 days, and we would get out roughly 80 parts per day when we were doing manual machine tending. Since we put in the cobots, we were able to cut down our production time to 3 days.
There's more consistency in loading and the unloading of the parts and the machines, and taking out some of the human error.
Spent a lot of time trying to hire good humans here, and it's difficult. I mean, especially now there's not many great candidates out there, and the robots don't make many mistakes.
Running the job with a manual machine tending was 4 times the cost of the same machine tending with the UR robot. We're installing insights, and so we're able to monitor the productivity of each cobot in real time, and we're able to have alerts sent to us. If a cobot is down for any reason, we get an immediate notification. We're also able to log in remotely if somebody is off-site. They can remote in and fix the problem with the robot.
We have 14 CNC milling centers and turning centers here. Our hope is that within a year that every machine has a cobot applied to their system.